I'm Tara Monster and I like to make things. Today's video is very special because I'm having my first ever T-shirt makeover contest. I'm going to show you how to make over your old men's tees into a fun new style like the one I have on. I'm giving away over $400 in prizes by handmade artists just like me. All you have to do to enter is take your new creation and make a 15-second video of you wearing it. Then upload your video to Facebook and Instagram with the hashtag T-shirt Revival and comment below this video with "Pick Me." That's it. That's all you have to do to enter.
All contestants will get a 20% off coupon for Revival Inc. shirts made by me. Some of our prizes include jewelry by Jessie Beans Accessories and enamel pins by Clockwork Art. To see all the prizes and contest rules, click the link in the description below this video.
If you're excited to learn how to make over your men's tees and win over $400 in prizes, let's get crafting. I'm going to show you how to transform your tees using one of the easiest techniques I call laddering. It's also called braiding or weaving. It's great to start with a shirt that's a little bit too big for you. So this is an awesome way to make over all those concert tees you could only get in a men's size. Make sure to have a pair of scissors, some chalk, and a ruler. The first thing we want to do is cut off the seams on the sleeves, around the neck, and at the bottom of the shirt. Let's fold the shirt in half to do that. And now we can cut the bottom off by only cutting half as much. Now for the sleeves. And now to make your sleeves look a lot more finished, you're just going to pull them so that they roll. That just gives it a nice finished edge. Same with the bottom. And now to cut out the neck. When you cut out the neck, you want to make sure to only cut the top layer. If you cut it through both sides, it will make the neck opening too big. To start my cut, I will cut on both and then just switch to the top layer only and follow the neck around. And now just follow along that top neckline. Stretch it. And now we're going to turn it over because we really just want to do the back. And now to make the cuts easier, we're going to fold the shirt in half the long way, making sure that our side seams line up. I want the width of my back weave to be about 8 inches wide, so I'm going to measure in 4 inches because when we open up, it will be double the width. I like to start a little ways down from the neck and mark it with my chalk. You want your strips to be cut 1 inch apart. What I like to do, instead of drawing chalk lines all the way down, is just line up my ruler and cut in until I reach the ruler, doing a width of 1 inch. The next step is to unfold your shirt and stretch out your cuts so that they turn into ropes. Now that it's all stretched, I'm going to move the shirt over to my mannequin so I can show you how to do the weaving. I'm going to show you 2 different kinds of weaves, the ladder weave and the chain weave. Have a look at the diagram of both of them on your screen first. We're going to start with the ladder weave. Take your top strand and pull the next strand up and over the top.
And then do it again with the next one. You're going to pull this strand through the loop and over the top. Pull it through and over, through and over. And then you just do that all the way down. And that's the last one through the loop. When you get to the bottom, all you want to do is cut the last strand in half. Then you're going to tie it into a square knot, but just do the first tie, just like that. Then, right in the middle of your knot, put that next strand. So it's right in the middle. And then you just do another square knot. And there you go, a nice end to your ladder weave. You can cut the extra strings off if you like. Next, I'm going to show you the chain weave. The chain weave is the same technique, but with a twist. Take your first strand, pull that second one through and over, and now make one twist so that you have a loop. Pull the next strand through the loop and twist. The next strand through your loop and twist, making a new loop each time to pull that next one through the loop and twist, through and twist. And you just do that all the way down. And you can see how it's starting to make this really cool chain right down the middle. And when you get to the bottom with your last loop here, you're going to pull the last one through, cut it in half, and make a square knot. Put that loop in the middle and tie it again. Double knot. And there we go. Look at that fun chain weave. You can continue to do more ladders over the top of the one you already did. This regular ladder weave, I'm going to add a chain weave on top. And now that we've gotten to the bottom, you can actually take the tails from your previous weave and tie them right around that last loop in a square knot. And there we go. Look how fun that is. It's almost like we're creating a little web on the back of the shirt. I can't wait to see what fun creations you're going to make for the T-shirt Makeover Contest. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make over your men's tees. If you want to learn even more cool techniques for altering your tees, check out the videos right here. And don't forget to enter my contest for a T-shirt makeover by posting your 15-second video of your creation on Facebook and Instagram with the hashtag T-shirt Revival. Then comment below this video with "Pick Me." That's it. That's all you have to do to be eligible to win over $400 in prizes for first, second, and third place submissions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!